Hey guys, in this video I will show you some progress for the OpenAI Real Time API .NET SDK. I created this project a month ago, so I'm trying to create a SDK which could help the .NET developer to use the OpenAI Real Time API easily. So I have this done, pretty much done. Let me show you some progress. So first of all, you need to download the code. You can use the master branch or the dev branch. Either one is working. Now, once you download that, you will see I have a demo project over here. So it's very easy to use the OpenAI Real-Time API right now. You just need to drag this component to the Windows form you created. I already have that dragged over here, so there you don't need to drag twice. Okay, let's show you how easy to use this one. After you drag to here, you don't need to do anything. You just need to specify the OpenAI API key. So I put this to my local environment variable, so it could get this one. After that, it's pretty much good to go. So it's very easy. It's just to drag the component over here and set up the API key. That's it. So once you want to connect to the start talk, you just I have another button. It's just a regular button. You could put any button over here. I set up an event. This event is pretty easy, so just to change the icon or something. The main code is over here. If it's not start, we just call start. If it already start, we just stop that. So that is the API I created. So this is how it's currently working. Now let's go back to here. So click this one and start this one. That's it. Now let's run it. Hey, what's the population of United States?
As of my last update in October 2023, the estimated population of the United States was around 333 million.
Like. So one more thing I need, you can click that, it will stop. It will just call the stop method. It will stop the connection. So it's over here. There's something I need to mention. There's some, I have some method. So if you go back to here, go to the event. So I have the payback text available, and I have the speech text available. So once I speech, I talk. Once I talk, the OpenAI will receive the what I talked, and the response back. Once it's parse the voice, and it will I just put the result to the text box, so which is over here. I put the text over here, so you can tell for once speech text data available, I say okay, this is the user data, and once it's payback text available, I just say okay, this is AI, what AI speech. So this is how it's working. Just need to set up this two events. Just to go here and go here. Double click this one. At the very beginning you don't have this one, so double click this one, then you will set up the event. These two events I think is most useful, just to get your text. Another one, there's much more events, but I don't use this in my sample. if you look at over here, so we have the speech end. If the speech end, you want to do something. If the speech data available, you want to do something. If you double click that, you will get the event, the audio event. You can get the audio data over here. So you get the audio, get the wave buffer. This will give you the raw data from this component. So as well, you have much more event. This one start from speech, which is your data you talked about. This is you started, you end your talk. So this all event. And this event talk about the AI, the OpenAI response. If the OpenAI response started, so it will call this event. If end, it call this event. This is data available. It's a pay data available. So the difference between these two is this is raw data. This is text data. There are few more I have not yet added. Once I add all of them, I will create the documentation, talk about what's the meaning for each one, and the scenario we will use this each one. So this is the event for this component, and I have some parameter, another property. So if you go over here, see the property, I have the voice virtual effect. So that basically is about the virtual effect of the component. So if you use the circle, and we'll do something different. Hello, what's the population of United States?
The population of the United States was estimated to be over 331 million.
Yeah. So now I add a whole bunch of events. If you want to look into the event, how the event get implemented, you can take a look over here. I have a whole bunch of events. So you don't need to understand what exactly the protocol of the OpenAI. You just need to understand the event. This event is pretty much the name is pretty much self-explained. It tell you what it do. Here is, let me show you the event. Here is the event. Like on web in data available, on speech start. It's pretty much the self-explain. So yeah, this is how current the component working. I plan to add more events, probably implement all events described by the OpenAI protocol, and add a more virtual effect, more beautiful one. So which will help the developer easy to use this one, to use the SDK, to use my component. Yeah, hope you guys could try and say if you have any comment, let me know. I could implement that, and which will benefit every .NET developer. Okay, thank you. Bye.